Welcome to our guide on leveraging the WhatsApp Catalog API for e-commerce. In this video, we'll explore how businesses can seamlessly integrate the Catalog API into their digital strategy for enhanced customer engagement and increased sales. To get started, you'll need a WhatsApp business account. Simply download the app, register your business phone number, and fill in your details. It's your ticket to the vast world of WhatsApp e-commerce. Once you're set up, familiarize yourself with the WhatsApp Business API dashboard. It's your mission control for managing customer messages, automated replies, and your product catalog. Creating your catalog is simple. Just access the catalog feature in the WhatsApp Business app. Add your products or services with high-quality images and detailed descriptions, and publish. It's that easy. Now that you have created your WhatsApp catalog, unlock its full potential for personalized recommendations, automated communication with bots, streamlined purchase processes, and convenient customer support. You can also use the catalog as a marketing tool by promoting products, utilizing broadcast lists, crafting compelling descriptions, and tracking customer engagement for refinement. That was it. Mastering the WhatsApp Catalog API for e-commerce requires strategic thinking and best practice application. By following these guidelines, you can build a robust platform for success and craft an experience that resonates with your customers. So what are you waiting for? Start tapping into the power of the WhatsApp Catalog API for e-commerce today with Wati. Scan the QR code and start your 7-day free trial today.